wasn't a camp for gay kids, it was Christian kids. But we had a preacher one night who was very charismatic and said, God can set you free from anything. And somebody stood up, a young person, and gave a testimony saying they used to be gay, they were prayed for at that same camp the year before, and now they were straight. And as a 16-year-old, so earnest in my faith, raised by my church to believe it was a sin, I thought, I'm going to go forward. So in front of 4,000 people were shouting at me for the demons of homosexuality to come out. And that was in a Christian community here in England.
Lots of people will think, I suppose, that your catalyst for coming out was finding a relationship with somebody special, and you're thinking, okay, I'm ready in a way to risk leaving my faith in order to be with this person. But that actually wasn't the case, was it?
No, I really was very earnest and very devout, so I didn't actually have any relationships until I came out, and I didn't come out until the age of 35. Which sitting next to you makes me feel quite old. Which is so accomplishing so young. But it took me till that age to really wrestle with my faith, because I am still a Christian, still very important to me. And actually my career ended up being in the church, in gospel music, which some of which I did in Nashville and California. It's a huge industry out there, isn't it? And there's no way that you can be an evangelical gospel musician and gay. So
you had to turn your back then.
It did, and actually one part of the film that really struck me was about kind of gender presentation. So I did everything I could for 35 years to look as straight as possible. And since coming out, I finally let myself have the crazy haircut I always wanted. But it's things like that that the movie really touches on. And in my book, I try to talk about just how imprisoned you can feel in this prison of shame, not able to be yourself.
And Chloe, I mean, you've mentioned members of your family again as well, but how much research and how much chatting to the likes of Vicky did you do for this project?
Well, I thought it was pertinent in research to meet survivors and actually talk to them about what their experiences were like. So I think what struck me...
And they compress it and roll it down, and they're trying to make it look like the hillside around. So it was an old quarry, and it's just been filled up with 8 million cubic meters of trash.
And this is the point, I mean, you're talking about that kind of tonnage there. When we throw stuff away, and this is what you're trying to get across, is the fact that you don't just get rid of it, it's just passed on to somewhere.
You heave out on your...
Thank you very much, whoever you are. Thank you for all you're doing for us. We appreciate this.
I'm not washing it.
Well,
Don't stop there.
Right. It's happening.
No, that's your money, yeah?
I really don't. Oh. Where are you?
You're up or down?
Are you hit?
I got hit on top of the head with something.
Until next time, sleep tight.
Tonight, a seemingly perfect home becomes a place of terror for a mum and her son in Paris. And next week at 10, it's the brand new series, The Scariest Night of My Life, exclusive to Really.
You like music, Dave?
Yeah. Where's he coming from?
Share their stories of terrifying encounters with the paranormal.
I just kept getting this creepy feeling that there was something watching me.
It felt more like there was something there that was kind of hovering over me.
And how they lived to tell the tale.
I thought that I was going to die.
It's definitely
So the Scottish First Minister this morning, Nicola Sturgeon, said that it showed that Scotland was on the right path, in other words, on the right path to good government, potentially independent government. Whereas David Mardell, the Scottish Senator, UK government's representative in Scotland, he said it was concerning that the deficit was proportionately 4 times bigger for Scotland than for the whole of the UK. That's just the start of this argument. It will intensify as the months go on, as Brexit gets closer, and those questions about the future of Scotland, should it be within the UK after Brexit?
Into your kitchen now. We're going to have a look at that in a bit, but let's look at this space first.
Personally, I think it's too small.
It's a shame too, was expecting a bigger bit of an area.
This, thinking about your big house in the UK that you sold and downsized. In one bit. Dining table here, and then your kitchen. You're not looking too impressed, Andy, let me say that. But
Are you not? So what is it that's just not working?
friend places. It's like a whole thing.
What style kitchen would you put in here? Flash. Do you ever let... So we were literally looking to find somewhere that she could stay for the night or two. Right. Or if not, means they've got to come up to us. Okay, so this could be an option. It's actually run by British vets. And for £7.50 a night, Lexi could stay here.
So with Lexi sorted out, time for our final property. Houses in Dorillion.